Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little PR unboxing video. So I received a few things yesterday, basically this week. So I thought I'd share it with you and see what we've got this week basically. PR, if you don't know, is like free makeup that you get sent to either do reviews on or paid sponsorships, things like that. So some of these items I might get paid for advertising. Some of these things I have just been gifted to try out on my channel and tag them and stuff like that. I understand that obviously some of you may not know what PR is, so if you know, you know. So yeah, so if you want to see what I've received this week, then carry on watching. So the first one I received today is the Flat Lay Co London, and this is like basically a makeup bag. I got to pick what colour I wanted. They had a bunch of different ones on their website, and they basically told me to pick whichever one I want, which I picked like this blush pink colour one. And it's basically a makeup bag, and then you can organise it inside and it will pull straight out into a big flat like surface basically, so you can organise your makeup really nicely in there. Let me open it and show you because I haven't opened this yet. Ooh. Oh, it's bigger than I thought actually. So this is the bag. Oh, it feels lovely actually. And I guess it's like this. So this is what it's like when it's laid flat open. So it's actually massive, and it's got lots of different compartments for like brushes and stuff, which is good. It's got a zip here, and then I guess once it's all in, you just, whoa, pull this, and then obviously you tighten it up. So I'll just tighten it up now. And you have your little bag. Obviously when it's a bit fuller, you'll be able to see. But you have your little bag here full of makeup, and it's got this little grippy bit on it so it'll stay in. It actually feels really good quality as well. It feels really, really nice. So thank you for sending me this. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure I'll be using it a lot when I'm travelling, especially. So the next item I got is from Pixi. I assume most of you know who Pixi is. I love that I'm on their PR list. This is like one of their biggest PR lists that I'm on. So basically anytime they come out with new releases and stuff, they'll send me their new items. But this is like basically just like a bum bag, and you open it up and it's got a few bits inside. So we've got this Pixi Blue Pearl Quad, eyeshadow quad, which is really cute. We've got this H2O skin drink, which I haven't tried yet, but I have seen a lot of, which is the Pure Hydration Gel. So I'm excited to try that. I think that'll be really nice. I've got a lot of Pixi stuff already, obviously some that they sent, but before I was even on their PR, I had bought a lot of their items previously, especially a lot of like their skincare, and their brand is really good. A lot of their products are really, really nice, so I'm really happy to be on their PR list because I always know that most of the products are going to be really nice. And this one is like a lip gloss. This is in Peony Bloom. This is like a cute little pink lip gloss, and then it comes also with some makeup melting cleansing cloths. And the last thing is just these like cute little gold temporary tattoos, which I sometimes like use tattoos to do fake makeup with. Kind of like I can incorporate, if I do like a gold glittery look, I could just pop one of these, like maybe a rose across my eye or something. So these are really handy to have, so I'm really happy that I received these, and thank you so much Pixi for having me on your PR list. I'm very grateful. Here's another one by Bye Bye Blemish. So I haven't actually opened this one yet, which I'm very excited to open. Ooh, so this is what it looks like inside. So we've got a bunch of skincare in here, so let's just have a look what we've got. So we've got this Bye Bye Blemish Witch Hazel and Tea Tree skin toner, and I love a toner because I do my skincare quite a lot. Well, I do my skincare so much that I always like love a new product. This one looks really cool. I don't know how this works, but I'm not going to play around with it right now. But this is just a skin toner, so I might do a tutorial maybe on either on my YouTube or on my Instagram page. Definitely go check out my Instagram. It's in the description down below, because I've started doing lots of like video tutorials on just little makeup bits or skincare, little helpful hacks and stuff like that. Oh wow, it says dissolving cleanser, Witch Hazel oil control formula. It's almost like a tablet. Is it? I don't know what it is. It says just add water. Oh, it's like little cloths. So it says you put it on your hand. Oh, it contains 50 sheets. Wow. So you just put the sheet on your hand and you put water on it and then just rub it around your face. That's really cool. They sent me the vitamin C exfoliating gel. This says buff and brighten dull skin, and so safe for sensitive skin as well, and it's got lemon in it, so that will probably smell really nice. And I love exfoliating gels. I'm currently using one from Lacura, which is like a brand in Aldi. I think it's really, really nice for your face, but yeah, I'll definitely test this one out as well in a video. Like I said, probably all be in the same videos, keep an eye out for that. Here they've sent me the Skin Rescue Serum. This is pore minimizer, oil control and refines texture, which is definitely what I need, because if you don't know, I've got really oily skin, so things like this are really helping for me. Helping? These are... Calm down. Things like that are really helpful for me, and it says it's rapid results, so that's good. And they've sent as well some skin skin resurfacing peel serum, which I love a peel serum. I don't know why. It is actually gross, but you basically peel it on you rub it on your skin just like a moisturizer or anything, and then it will just start like crumbling off your dead skin basically, but it's really good for you, and I love seeing how that works. And the last thing that they sent me was this drying lotion. It just basically says do not shake the bottle. I'm interested to see what this looks like. It says basically put them straight on your blemishes, and I've got 2 at the moment. Whoa, it says in capitals everywhere do not shake, so it makes me want to shake it. I won't. Thank you so much Bye Bye Blemish for sending me these, because that's actually quite a lot, and I'm very grateful for everything I get sent, by the way. I don't just like think like, oh yeah, another package. I'm really grateful for everything that gets sent to me. My next package is from Ieva, I think it is. So they sent me some lashes. So I've got these ones, which are in 3D01. This is the, like, what they're called. And their Instagram is Ieva's Makeup if you want to check them out. But they've got these lashes which look really nice. They're quite full, which is nice, but not too long. These ones are a little bit longer and a bit fluffier, I guess. These are LX22. And they also sent me their luxury one as well, which I was so excited for because they look really nice. It's in this like packaging. I don't know if you could see. It's so mirrored that it's like reflecting off the camera. But it's like this like mirrored packaging. It's really heavy as well, and it's got like a little bit on it here, and you just open it and it's got the lashes inside. It's got a mirror on this side, but it's just gonna shine on the camera. It's like got a glittery background. These look really, really like luxury, and I'm really excited to try these. So thank you so much for sending me these. Another thing I got sent, and I got sent this yesterday, but I threw the box straight away stupidly, and I've already done a review on it. So, but I thought I'd involve it in this because I did only get sent it yesterday, so I wanted to show you what I got. It's from MD Acne, and I have got a video coming very soon for them. This one is a paid one, so you know, basically it's like an acne brand, MD Acne, and they customize all their products for you. So they actually have an app where it asks you so many questions. I went on the app to try it out, and I got to check out, and it said your first order is free. All you have to pay is shipping, and you get a dermatologist. I don't know, whatever they are. You get to speak to one of them for free, so they can give you as much advice as you need, and you only pay £9 for shipping, and I think that is really, really good for the amount you get as well. I got a pore minimizing strip, which I tested on the YouTube video, so I don't have it on me. They sent me the customized hydrating cleanser, which is the day and night one, which is really, really nice. You'll have to check out my review. If I've uploaded it already, I'll pop it on the screen here. If not, then it will be coming soon, so definitely keep an eye out for that. They sent me the customized treatment cream, which is the night cream, and I haven't tested this yet because obviously I did the video in the day, but that's to come, and I'm gonna probably update you all on my Instagram story, so keep an eye out for that as well. And customized smoothing moisturizer, and this is the day one, and I tried this as well, and it feels so nice on your face, and honestly their products smell so so good as well. So the last package I received was from NB Lashes. Now they sent me a few of their things and they put me on their affiliate program, which I'm very grateful for. They're really nice as well. I've been speaking to them on Instagram and they're actually so nice. They sent me some lashes. I've already tried these ones, which are in Goddess, and they are so nice. I've done a Instagram video using these and their glitter, which I'll show you in a minute. And these are really nice. They're like curly, wispy, they're not too long, they're not too full, so they look kind of natural but really pretty. So these are really nice and I definitely recommend them. And they sent me these lashes as well, which are a bit fuller and a bit thicker, which I also like for more creative makeup looks. And these are in the shade Diva. These are really pretty as well. And then they also just sent me this, which is a glitter eyeliner. This is an 05 and I think it's so pretty. I haven't actually tried it yet, but look how pretty the packaging is. It's like gold and it's like, they've just made such an effort with the packaging. And then it's like this basically. It's this kind of applicator where you just, you know, you can cover your whole eye or you can use it as an eyeliner. You can kind of use it for anything. But this is a really pretty gold shade. And the other two things they sent me was this little pouch, and inside they've got glitters. But honestly, look how cute these glitters are. They're like in little diamonds. And I think they just put so much effort into the packaging, which makes such a difference as well. When you order something like makeup and it comes in like something like this, you're like, cute. But I haven't tried this one yet. This is like a dark, I think it's like a purple. It's a darker shade anyway, and this one is like a gold. I don't know what they're called, to be honest. She might have wrote them down actually in here. Yeah, I've got 24 carat, which is this one, 24K, and this one is Midnight. And then this liquid eyeshadow is called Champion. But yeah, so I've used the 24 carat one, which is this one, the gold one, and it's so pretty. If you check out my Instagram, there should be a video on there of the glitter, of a look with the glitter on, which I've tagged them in it, so you'll see, or you can just look at their Instagram. So if you do want to try any of their products, it's NB Lashes. I'll link it all in the description anyway, and you can use Charlie10 for 10% off. Do let your followers know that this is only redeemable through DM. And that is it for today. Honestly, half of my makeup collection, maybe more than half, I have been sent for free, but I'm so grateful for that. And you know, I work hard to do these YouTube videos, to do Instagram videos. People don't understand, like they think you just sit in front of a camera, do the makeup and then that's it. But realistically, a makeup look can take between like an hour to like 3-4 hours if it's like a creative makeup look. And then you also have to put in the time to edit, which, you know, even for an Instagram video, it takes me about 2-3 hours to edit, just because I like to perfect it to what I like. I like to, you know, cut it all up into sections and then edit each section to like the sharpness, the brightness that it needs to be. So it takes so long, and then you add your name, you have to find the music that goes well with it. That is not copyright. It's such a massive process. And then by the time you actually upload it, you've got to wait for the processing. You've got to do all the settings on YouTube every time you upload a video. So people do not understand how hard it is to actually upload videos and to do them frequently as well. Find the time to actually film the videos in the beginning. Think of the ideas, you know, it's so much to it. And I could just do a video just talking about it, to be honest, and maybe helping beginners to set it up and what I would recommend using, because it's actually very hard to figure out yourself, especially if you want it to be affordable. I've got like all the lighting and my camera, my tripod, my laptop, the leads and everything, but some people may not know how to start it. So yeah, maybe I'll do a video on that as well. But like I was saying before I got sidetracked, you know, it takes a lot of effort to do all these videos and to do the content, the makeup looks and everything. So I'm not just getting sent it for nothing, you know, I'm doing a review, I'm helping the brand out as well, we're helping each other. So yeah, anyway, enough of that, who cares. I'm just very grateful to receive these products, and yeah. Also, let me know if you want to see any videos like this again, because I always receive PR, so I can just build it up and basically do a big video on it. This is just like a smaller one, but I can do like a massive one. This is just from this week. So if I saved it for like a month, maybe I'd have like a massive one that I can just show you so many brands and show you what I get basically. I'm pretty nosy and I love watching them. So if you do, then let me know in the comments and I'll do another one soon. So I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next one.